James, did you get a lollipop out of your Halloween bag? Is that breakfast? No. James, is that yummy? Did Daddy tell you you could have that? Oh, for me? For me?
Yeah.
For I'm having breakfast first before I have my lollipop. James, is it yummy? Which one did you take?
A third.
Thank you. Mmm. Yum. Lemon. James. I could be a little hyper mess after this. Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Is it yummy? Yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy? James, we were good that you didn't go to too many houses. Plus, Mommy's been eating your candy, so. Is it good? Did you share with Daddy? James, you share your lollipop with Daddy?
Daddy. Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy.
Oh, don't get your lollipop on me. Icky. Sticky.
Mommy.
Yes?
I get mommy.
You do have a mommy. You also have a lollipop. Okay, James, can you say bye-bye?